Hello everyone. Welcome to the James Marketing Tool. Today's clip will guide everyone using MKT Care software so that we can use large number of Facebook accounts automatically go to interact with the posts. Well, the goal is that we create a post effect to create comments and interaction. It's like dropping like or love into a post. To help us is to have an effect on the crowd or let that article up to the top. This is now the main interface of the software, and this is the entry with the most features that everyone can see, share, add friend, post, message, and so on. And this is where I'm going to have a part called seeding. That means we'll interact automatically, or we can comment into a certain article. And now we're going to go get the UIDs of articles for us to interact with. Now I'll give you this example. This is my Facebook. This is my Facebook. I'll take some of the posts. Take this article for example. This is the first post we'll take. Let's get the UID of this post. After we have the UID, we'll paste it into this box. Then I'll get another article. An article in the group. Here for example. That. Grab UID of this article. Copy it here. Now that I have two posts, I will set up some of the basic configurations so that we can be automatically into these articles. It's like the first is the number of threads. This stream number is the account number that we run, interact at the same time. It depends on the configuration of our machine. Next is the distance between the two. I'm going to 20 to 30 seconds. The next is I'm going to like and release like or love. We can comment and we will comment. The content that we've composed here, we'll put each one in a line. There I am already. And people click this save. So now we just need to pick out the accounts. Let us use software that automatically goes to interact with things. This article, everyone, take a look. And I will select these 5 example accounts. We can choose as many accounts as we want. Press start to start. It's as you can see. The software just automatically goes interactive article for us. Now I will go here to check out these articles. And people can see this. These are all my names. And commented a minute ago. I wrote this content myself into the software. Let the accounts comment automatically, then my clip is over. Bye everyone, and everyone, please watch my latest clip. Bye.